In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Manychat account. Whether you're moving on from using Manychat or simply tidying up your online presence, I'll guide you through the process step by step. The entire process should take about 5 minutes of your time. Let's start by logging into your Manychat account. Use your usual credentials and make sure you're logging in from a secure network, as this is a key step. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll need to head over to the settings section. You can usually find the settings option somewhere on your dashboard, often represented by a gear icon, so go ahead and click on that. Inside the settings, you're looking for a tab labeled General. This section typically houses the core options for your account. Once you're in the general section, scroll through until you find an option to delete your account. This can sometimes be a bit hidden, but it will usually be towards the bottom of the list. Click on delete, but remember that this is a significant step, as it's going to permanently remove your Manychat account. Before you can fully delete your account, Manychat wants to make sure you've removed all associated channels. This is an important step because it ensures that you're aware of and managing all the integrations you've set up prior to deletion. First, let's address the channels linked to your Manychat account. Start by clicking on each channel displayed, and as you do, you'll be directed to specific settings for that channel. When you're dealing with channels like Facebook, scroll down until you find an option to remove the Facebook page from your Manychat account. Click the remove button to safely disconnect it. This disconnection is crucial as it prepares your account for deletion by ensuring all linked services are unlinked and that there's no lingering data connection. As you proceed, you'll next encounter radio buttons. These are checkboxes confirming that you truly understand the implications of removing any channels or deleting your account. It's a way to signal that you've reviewed the changes and agree with them, so make sure to check all the appropriate boxes. Finally, you'll need to type in a confirmation word that often serves as a final acknowledgement. Type remove to finalize the channel disconnection step. Once all channels are successfully removed, it's time to head back to the settings and revisit the delete account option. You'll need to type in the word delete. Doing this will ensure that your Manychat account is permanently deleted, and there you have it, your Manychat account is now deleted. Remember, once deleted, your data can't be recovered, so ensure that this is indeed what you want to do before taking this step. I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment or reach out for assistance. Thank you for watching and have a great day.